Two tractors Fiat 540 DT and Fiat 500 DT are loaded with wood when moving down an uneven mountain. Both cars were overloaded as the owners even used the front of the car to load wood, but I also had to admire them because they were very experienced drivers. For unknown reasons, the tractor was buried underneath the road and was being pulled up by a larger tractor. The two drivers went down to observe and assess the situation, but bringing the tractor up was not very promising. The tank attempted to rescue a bogged 6x6 Army recovery truck. Finally, the tank did it. D7E48 has straightened a D7G sliding off a wet trailer to clarify for those who don't know. The operator is okay, his up there, ROPS is up. Pulled it into the field to let the liquid settle overnight, helping the friend straighten his bulldozer. The shower appeared while he was working, finishing the job. He loaded the trailer with the wet board, then the bulldozer slid away after parking on the flat floor. This driver, using his skillful techniques, successfully brought the trailer loaded with heavy wood out of the road that was deep in mud. They are very smart when they know how to use small trees for lining and ditches so the wooden truck can easily pass through. The most difficult thing was connecting the second wooden trailer, and then they successfully brought the vehicle and the wooden trailer to the main road safely. This is the MAN 8X8, which is considered the most powerful off-road ice exploration vehicle. The driver stopped to observe for a moment and then proceeded to move the car across the glacier without any problems. In the flooded forest, the 6x6 M818 military tractor truck is deeply submerged in water and mud. It is difficult to determine the surrounding terrain. This is a heavy tactical truck built for the U.S. Armed Forces, so it is capable of transporting on all terrains and in all weathers. It won't take much time for the M818 tractor to get through this area.
There you go!
The lagoon up there is piles of soil that sink easily and cannot be moved through, so this group of bulldozers chose to move entirely at the nearby water edge. The group of bulldozers followed each other on the shortcut they had chosen, and this was true when the movement did not encounter any obstacles. With its powerful Mercedes V8 engine, powershift transmission, and Stir VG2000 transfer case, the Saisu Polo Timber 8X8 is powerful. Heavy military veterans take part in an exciting test at Slab Common, Borden, UK. Kraz is the most powerful truck shown in this video, with a 6x6, 330 horsepower turbo diesel engine. People love how Kraz gets through while other vehicles get stuck. Although Tatra or Star 266 are also very good.